Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out Reolink security camera systems. This is what I run. This is what I prefer to use. And they gave me a promo code to give to you to get an extra discount on top of the sales going on. Use the promo code Adventure Tech, get an extra discount. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So if you're in a hurry, just jump right over there to those links. For everybody else, we're going to be taking a look at all the best sales that I found for Reolink going on during Black Friday and Cyber Week. These are the best sellers. These are the deals that people are buying the most right now. Here's an all-in-one NVR system. This is really nice. This is 16 channel and it comes with 8 cameras right off the bat. 12 megapixel, extra HD, and it's got person and vehicle detection, which I really like because it lets you take your attention away from your monitor. You don't have to worry about it. You can actually get cues when something pops into view, so you're not wasting your time or sitting there in an anxious state. If you already got NVR systems and different things, they got a lot of PoE and Wi-Fi cameras. This Elite floodlight is really nice. You get 3000 lumen dimmable lighting, so you can adjust that. It's not just on or off. You can adjust the color temperature of it. And you can locally store the data from this camera. You do not need to worry about monthly fees. And the Duo 3 is one of their greatest cameras. It's got motion tracking, 180-degree panorama, 18 megapixel Ultra HD. That motion tracking is amazing that they got. And depending on how many cameras you pick up, you do get a different kind of discount. And some of their really nice top-mounted cameras, the Duo 3V PoE. And again, you get that Ultra HD 16 megapixel, 180-degree panorama, which is really important for people who are trying to keep a close eye on things close to where the camera's mounted. And it's got motion tracking technology. This is only $139. Really great deal. Another all-in-one setup, you got 8 cameras, all the cords that you need, plus the NVR system. It's a 16-channel system, so you can add 8 more cameras. It's a 4 terabyte hard drive. It's going to store a lot of that information well for you. And the cameras are 4K. It's got Ultra HD with that person vehicle detection, which is going to let you take your eyes off that monitor, be able to get a cue when something comes in. And a nice little all-in-one system, you got the Atlas PT Ultra 4K continuous recording, 360 all-around security auto tracking. You can actually control this camera and move where it points. Color X True Full Color Night Vision. Think about that, night vision in color. This tech is amazing. And if you're more into some of the smaller setups, they do have the video doorbell. This is through Wi-Fi. It includes chime. It's got 5 megapixel HD video and it's got person detection on it. Nice little safety feature for your business or for your home. And both of these cameras right here, the Go PT Ultra and the Pro Floodlight from the Elite series, are a real nice upgrade for your system. Fill up those extra channels you're not using and add some extra security to your property. Here's the camera that I'm running on my system. We unboxed, set up this system to check it out. Really nice. These are Vandal proof. So these can take a pretty good beat, and they're IK10 Vandal proof, color night vision, 12 megapixel UHD, and 145 field of view. And I have the RLN8410 NVR. It's a smaller NVR system, plenty for what I got going on. You might want to upgrade to this system here. For only about an extra $90, you can get a system that's twice as big. So take advantage of that deal right there. I actually got 4 of these hooked up to this system, which is fine, and it gives me 4 more channels to work with. Here is another one of the adjustable cameras. You get 360 coverage and 4K UHD with auto tracking, 6 times optical zoom. So those features aren't on every camera. So if you're looking for a more specialized application, this might be the camera for you. And $140 off, that's a good time to pick it up. And they do have battery powered systems with little solar panels. So these are all in one. You don't have to worry about them. You got the Argus 4 Pro, which is 140-degree coverage in 4K. It can handle dim lighting very well. And you got the dual band Wi-Fi 6. And it's barely over $100. It's pretty cheap. And you got this camera that's just a little bit less than $100, the Argus PT Ultra. You get 4K 8 megapixel Ultra HD, 355 pan and 140-degree tilt and color night vision. And they got the Argus 3 Pro, which is a little bit smaller, 5 megapixel Super HD, and it's got 2 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. But that's only $75. And another fixed mount camera, you got the Atlas, is $109. You got 10-second pre-recording, got that built-in battery and Color X night vision. But the Argus Track is one of the most popular right now. It's got a huge deal, 55% off, so the price is way low. You get dual view, full and close-up views, pan, tilt, and 6 times hybrid zoom. This is one of the most flexible camera options in my opinion if you're going to get one of these smaller battery solar combos. And they have some of the best dual lens security cameras in the business. The Dual 2V has 2 cameras built in, plus it's got Vandal-proof design. Great for your business. And the Reolink Track Mix Wi-Fi is a really nice setup for only $120, 4K 8 megapixel Ultra HD, dual lens view and tracking, 2 and 5 gigahertz dual band Wi-Fi. Your business is worth so much, it's worth investing in one of these setups. If you don't have one of these setups, I highly recommend it because chances are property at your home or your business is worth a lot more than the price of upgrading to one of these systems. There's no reason not to have something like this. Why would you spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on all your property and not spend a little bit more to protect it? Reolink NVR systems are easy, they're all in one, vandal-proof, person vehicle detection, and extremely high resolution. Take advantage of everything going on. Use the promo code ADVENTURESTECH to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button. We're going to be going over some of the best deals that we found on some of the best equipment that we know of. But don't forget, click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these deals.